Most people imagine highly intelligent individuals as people who always have the right answer. Psychology suggests the opposite. Some of the clearest signs of exceptional intelligence are almost invisible because they happen entirely inside the mind. And one of these habits is so common among highly intelligent people that many mistake it for overthinking. Let's take a closer look. 1. They mentally test situations before they happen. Before making an important decision, they quietly play out different possibilities. What if this happens? What if I respond differently? Instead of predicting one future, they explore many. Psychologists associate this with advanced mental simulation, a way of reducing uncertainty before taking action. But intelligence isn't only about predicting. It's also about resisting quick conclusions. 2. They become comfortable with uncertainty. Most people feel pressure to form an opinion immediately. Highly intelligent individuals often don't. They let ideas remain unfinished while collecting more evidence. To others, this hesitation may look like indecision. In reality, it's often intellectual patience. And that patience changes how they learn. 3. They become fascinated by questions that have no obvious reward. A random historical event, an unusual scientific theory, a forgotten language. Topics with no practical purpose can hold their attention for hours, not because they're useful, but because understanding itself feels rewarding. Curiosity becomes the destination, not the tool. But perhaps their most unusual habit appears when dealing with people. 4. They notice patterns that others dismiss. Most conversations focus on words. Highly intelligent people quietly compare behavior. Does this person's actions match what they said last week? Has their tone changed? Do the same patterns keep repeating? Over time, they often trust consistency more than promises. And the final habit happens entirely inside their own mind. 5. They question their own thinking. One of the strongest forms of intelligence isn't thinking faster. It's being able to step outside your own thoughts. To ask, why do I believe this? Could my brain be fooling me? Psychologists call this metacognition, thinking about thinking. And it may be one of the rarest habits of all. Exceptional intelligence isn't always loud. It often appears as quiet curiosity, comfort with uncertainty, careful observation, and the willingness to challenge your own beliefs. Because truly intelligent people don't just search for answers, they constantly improve the way they ask questions. Which of these habits feels most familiar to you? Let me know in the comments.